Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Mohammed Hilmi bin Mohammed Sarifuddin. My metric number is 060550 and I am Bachelor of Computer Science Software Development in UniSZA. And the title for this project presentation video is How to Create a Compiler, or what is the best way to create a compiler. Before we go to the creation of a compiler, to begin, there are a few things we must accomplish. One of them is JDK 8 must be installed. To download the JDK version 8, visit the official website. We will need to go to the Google and look for Java version 8. Please double check that you have selected the correct or appropriate installer for your operating system. My operating system, for example, uses the Windows x64 installer. Continue to install when the download is complete. The second step is to install Netbeans 8.2. Please ensure that you have the most latest ones of Java IC downloaded. Then, we must install the ANTLR editor plugin into Netbeans 8.2. After installing Netbeans, click Tools, click Plugin, download it, add plugins, and locate the downloaded plugins. The plugins are available in the description below this video. Here is my Netbeans plugin. Click Install, click Install, Next, Install, Continue, Complete, and Restart. When everything you are doing before is done, then what we need to do is we go to the next step, which is create a Java application project. First, we go to the file. Please make sure categories is Java, Nets, and name our project. For my project, I need to use my own number metric for the name of the project. Then click Finish. After that, our Java application project will be created. Now, we go to the next step, which is add ANTLR jar library into the libraries folder of our project. Now, we go to the projects and add library by click add jar folder. Now, we need to find our ANTLR jar files and click that files. Next, we need to create a grammar file. To create a grammar file, we need to go here, which is our package. Right click and create the empty file. Name the empty file as grammar. For my case, I need to add the metric number into the file name and finish it with .g4. Click Finish and the grammar file will be created. Now, we need to add code into our grammar file.
what we need to do is copy the existing code and paste it here. You can get the code in the description below. First, we need to check the file name in this code. Then, check and change the package name. After that, we need to modify the build.xml. To modify the build.xml, we need to click the Files tab here. Open the projects and double click the build.xml. What we need to do is copy and paste the code into here. Change the location for our ANTLR jar by go to the projects and right click on ANTLR jar. Click edit and copy the location. Paste it here. Next, for the location of the grammar file, you still need to change the same thing, but this time you need to change this one to project name and change this grammar file name. Please make sure you change the backward slash to the forward slash. After finish it, we need to clean and build the project. This step is very easy. What we need to do is we click run, click build and run project. What we need to do now is monitor the output. Then, create a text file containing a source code. This is where the compiler will read and generate an output we want. Now, we go to the desktop, create a new document file and name it with number metric.lang. In this document file, we need to add simple arithmetic expression, which is a equal to 10, b equal to 4 times 3 plus 1, a plus b plus a times 2. Please make sure you add extra line at the end and save it. After that, we need to modify main function at Java file to compile and execute the existing source code. Now, we go to our main file. What we need to do is import several things first. Then we go to the public class. We need to add a way to point our program to the file. First, we need to add try catch block to avoid error from the code. In try, we can add string to point away to that file we have created before. Next, we need to add a char string to read input from the text. Then, we need to add grammar. After that, we need to add a token and parser. In cache, what we need to add we need to add logger and it should be done. Now, we can running our project, go to the output and monitor the output. It will show the calculation from the arithmetic expression that we have built before this. We also can use command prompt to run this arithmetic expression. Once the project is clean and built, we can open the command prompt tool and find our Java file. If you don't know where to find the Java output, you can simply find from the output what you have run from the Netbeans. As you can see that we still can get the same output from the command prompt. And that's all from this video. Have a nice day. I hope you will be able to give this a try and succeed. Thank you for watching.